Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a delightful product that adds a touch of elegance to your correspondence, the Wax Seal Stamp Kit, which includes a retro DIY sealing wax set. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what this product offers. The Wax Seal Stamp Kit comes beautifully packaged in a sophisticated dark blue gift box, making it an ideal gift for friends or family. Inside, you'll find a striking red wick wax candle and a meticulously crafted letter B engraved stamp, complete with an antique brass handle. This kit is designed for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their letters, invitations, or gifts. One of the standout features of this kit is its ease of use. You don't need any additional tools, just light the wax candle, let the wax melt, and drip it onto your envelope or gift wrapping. Then, simply press the engraved stamp into the melted wax and wait for it to cool before lifting it away. The result? A perfectly formed wax seal that looks both beautiful and professional. This kit is perfect for a wide range of people. It's a thoughtful gift idea for girlfriends, sisters, mothers, or even your boss. Whether it's for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, Christmas, or birthdays, this wax seal stamp kit adds a personal touch that shows you care. It's a unique way to express feelings, appreciation, or even just creativity. The practical uses for this wax seal stamp kit are numerous. Imagine sealing thank you cards, personal invitations, or even special holiday greetings with a charming wax seal. It's also great for enhancing wine bottle gifts or beautifully wrapping presents for occasions like birthdays or anniversaries. The possibilities are endless, and it's a fantastic way to make your correspondence stand out. In conclusion, the Wax Seal Stamp Kit is a beautiful and thoughtful way to elevate your letters and gifts. With its elegant packaging, easy-to-use features, and suitability for a variety of occasions, it's sure